I was gendered as a boy, but I always knew I was a woman. Ever since I was a little kid, I used to always hang out with little girls, and a lunch lady at school, she just grabbed me by my shirt. She shoved me and she told me, "You need to go play soccer with the rest of the normal boys because you're not normal." That changed me in a way that even now still hurts me, you know? I'm Jade. I'm the sales and service leader at Sephora, and I have been with the company now for 7 years. I remember the very first time I walked into a Sephora when I was 13 or 14. What I loved about it was how included I felt and how safe I felt. And that's when I knew I wanted to work at Sephora eventually. After me getting my cosmetology license, I actually applied at the same Sephora I used to shop as a kid. That's my story, that's my baby. There's not a lot of resources for transgender clients outside, and I actually helped develop and launch Bold Beauty classes for the transgender community. I literally walk clients through makeup applications and skincare application, and I've also held virtual classes, which has been really nice because I've been able to connect with people from all over the country and really the world. Just sharing our stories and being able to be a support for one another is a beautiful thing. Being a woman is not easy. Being transgender on top of it, being Latina on top of it, being first generation on top of it, it's hard. In the 6th grade, I was very suicidal, especially growing in a macho type of household. It's a huge deal to tell your parents that you're gay. And I remember being scared to tell my dad, especially because I honestly felt like my dad was gonna kick me out. But it was the complete opposite. My dad's first words were, "No matter what, you're still gonna be my child." It made me feel really good. It was like a weight lifted off of my shoulders, and I didn't have to keep hiding who I was. In Mexico, we believe when the woman's belly is rounder, they're gonna have a girl, and when it's pointy, it's gonna be a boy. And my mom's stomach with me was always round. And now me and my mom laugh about it, and she's like, "I did have a girl. I did have a little girl." I started my transition medically 3 years ago, and I feel like the most real and authentic version of myself that I think I've ever been in my life. I never thought I would even have an opportunity like this to share the story of who Jade is. I love who I see, and I love who I'm becoming every day.